Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Jingstad ka datang maka ka ikhtiar ka balaban penkala ya ubriu ka imlang ka salang ka district ka jela bat kari long menteri ka tanat puli puthi ka sarkar jela Rakkam Sangma habakaran ka sengi penkut ya ka Jingstad Golden Jubilee jong ka nong talang government secondary school nong talang ha ka khatlai tarik nopra Nalor menteri ladan langru UMLE ka than uba lakamen rumbui ka joint director of school education and literacy but in charge DSEO West Gentle Hills district Kong APCM, SDO Amlaram Civil Subdivision, Dr. Abhishek Saini IAS, ki officer na kitna tarikam sorkar bapher, ki reurang ba kathan, ki nong hikai, ki Khynnah Skul, ki pass people, ki kami ki kpa nalor ki wei. Haba betengi ke jingkran menteri ulakran halor ke jingkiu jong ke Jingstad technology, haka ba ki breu ki jushanya haka na kabenta ke jingim ke baman ke sengi, bat ki jing temu bapher, ula Kyntu iki Khynnah Skul bakin shim kya bat kit kya hagi jing puli dak ba Pyndonkam ke Jingstad ke bami na Lade ne ke natural intelligence klam da shanya hagi Jingstad technology ne ke artificial intelligence uba lak min ruboy hagi jingkran ula Kyntu jo ki Khynnah ban Pyndonkam ke Jingstad ba shisha ke jongki ringkat ke Jingstad ke bakiyo ling ba ke technology knang ban la ban yale persha ya ke berthai haga ne sengi penkut ke Jingstad Jubilee ksiar lapun ke buramru iki hanyongot ke dekat SMC barim marlaingot kino hikai barim nalor kata lapun kuburam ru iki laingot ki so ningkong jong ke skul ki bagentup ya ke matriculation bagentup ulit puramon taryang joina bare bat baya sha lapasam shushu lapun kuburam ya ki laingot ki Khynnah ki bawan ra buram ya ke skul ha ke exam matric bat HSSLC ha ki snam balalet no ki bagentup ya uklur lingdo ke buriti po snam baru ar ki man manar Lapun pu ben piang ya kani sengi de jingwa jingshat bala shimenta de Khynnah Skul kumju ki pass people nalor ke jingwan pensyong shet de Khynnah Skul de jingwan shimenta ukai tor bapau ke jela uban kier khar kongor
I want to congratulate the Nong Talang Government Secondary School for having this wonderful infrastructure. Of course, many things to be done more. But today, I'm happy to see that this infrastructure is good enough to cater the present challenge of the students. Therefore, my young students, it's my request to all of you, please continue to sign these schools in the days to come. In the past, we have seen the result. We have seen many students has secured the top position in the 10th in the secondary and has maybe in secondary schools examination. And it's my challenge to young friends today. It will be your turn from today that what history you want to make for the community, for the state and for the country. My friends, we come to the earth with a purpose. And we come on the earth to live forever. Many past leaders of this constituency, of this village, many pioneers of the schools has left already, passed away already. Though we're not able to see them today, but it always used to say that no one lives forever, but the idea, the dreams will always live forever. Artificial intelligence is going to be one of the challenges for all of us. Today, what my point is, to all my teachers across the state, to my young dynamic students across the state, if you remains idle, if you don't learn the curriculum, if you don't learn the education as it requires and demand for today, you will be substituted by the technology and artificial intelligence. There's always debate across the world about the artificial intelligence and the natural intelligence. Somebody talking about that in next few years, the artificial intelligence, the robotic science will take over the human level. This is the crisis going to be faced by the people. But the scientists used to say that, and we academicians used to say that artificial intelligence, the robotic science should not replace or substitute the human intelligence or natural intelligence. Therefore, the teachers of today must prepare our young children so that our natural intelligence are higher than the artificial intelligence, and the artificial intelligence, the artificial science must substantiate rather than substitute to the students of today. Therefore, it's my appeal to young children and also the young faculty members of the state that we must teach our students as per the requirement of today's curriculum and today's challenge.
Education is a very, very important. Education is life. And life itself is an education. Every step, everything we do is itself an education for us. We learn many things to our journey from our birth till today and till our last day. But sometimes we never realize it. We thought that education is only acquiring knowledge in the school. My dear friends, students, the world is so beautiful, and you are a beautiful people in this world. Make use your life beautifully. Make use your life purposely. Be the human being who will serve this world purposely. As I said, every step in our life, in our education. Education nowadays, it is very challenging. It is very challenging. Gone are the days when we always have to remember what we are teaching in school. Remember them by heart and reproduce them during the days of exam. Education is very competitive. Education is very vibrant now. That's why the very important thing for you is not only to acquire knowledge in the classroom. Try to acquire knowledge through the society, through experience in your life. Life has given us so much experience. Sometimes we feel disheartened. Sometimes we feel discouraged. Sometimes we feel that we lost hope. But no, that is only a step in our moving in the right direction. That is only a step that we are moving in the right direction. Remember, we are giving ample opportunity, ample talent, ample things which we could overcome challenges. The only thing is that whether you are accept the challenge or whether you are able to learn so that you could overcome. It is not very easy to overcome the challenge ourselves or by ourselves. It is through learning process. And then that learning process is not only in classroom, it is on our day-to-day life. We have seen another world in us, that is the virtual world, where through technology we can do many things, where through technology we could experience many things, where through technology it has helped us to equip ourselves to face the world. Whoever thought that whatever happened in Nong Talang today will seen all over the world in a split second. This is the world the additional world which we are exploring. Now with artificial intelligence, yes, in every creative thing, there is a challenge. Now, I have seen the student, instead of using more creativity, they become lazy because everything become, they come to them by themselves. Just struggle, they will get everything. They didn't use their brain so much, but use your brain, use the gift of God, so that it will empower you. Jingstad kada ayaw play, Jingstad ka teknologi ka bangyo, ngidey pagpulangkam. Yaka kung naman kan harness, yaka jintip ka jami. Kenang bangin long, kita kena samla, kibadon ka jingkermen. Dem tak kadaw, ngakan tuyip hi, ki kena school, ki kena samla, wan long kudu jingkermen. But Pyndonkam, yakin artificial intelligence, kadang juga om, bahkan take over yak everyday life. Hai, kalau sedang share, handai pi master. Artificial is artificial. You are real. Remember, you are a real person, not artificial. Your intelligence is real, not artificial intelligence. Use your real intelligence with artificial intelligence you get through technology to enhance, to harness, to equip yourself so that you can challenge this world. My dear friend, my dear youth, we are very lucky in the state of Meghalaya. For the last 7 years, we have our Honorable Chief Minister who responds to the need of the youth, who responds to the need of the community, who responds to the need of each and every people, class of the people in the state. He responds. I'm very lucky to have him guide me. People may say what they say, but he is the most, so to say, the person who really listens to people.
Exam SSLC, dan rupanya la 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 la. Whoa oh oh whoa oh oh. Sha la 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 la. 1, 2, 3 ทับเดียวเรา Sha la 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 la. Whoa oh oh whoa oh oh. Sha la 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 la. Dziękuję jak teachers Malasha Kri i past and present. Jak school managing committee, ki student ki parent. Ka school ka Malasha Kri, ka ayah Jingstad makodon. Don rumah lalang officer, engineer, doktor. Tunang kiw siya pran, nang yay siya kri ang kanong kakan. Nang bikin yay bikilang helang han. You know what I see? Nong talang government, secondary school. Nong talang government, secondary school. Son of them, golden jubilee celebration. Son of them, golden jubilee celebration. Whoa oh oh, whoa oh oh. Sha la 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 la. Whoa oh oh, whoa oh oh. Sha la 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 la. Whoa oh oh, whoa oh oh. Sha la 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 la. 1, 2, 3 ทับที่เราเรา Sha la 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 la. Whoa oh oh, whoa oh oh. Sha la 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 la. Wishful.